Let's use the new button to upload a file. I'd like to upload some waffle recipes into a new folder to share with my career technical education department. I bet the culinary teachers would love to share this with their students. I'm in luck because I can upload an entire folder at one time. Locate the folder on your desktop. And upload. Click on the folder to view the contents. I've got this delicious chicken and tater tot waffle recipe. And I've also got this tater tot waffle and grilled cheese recipe. Let's return to the home screen to share this. I can now see my tater tot waffle recipes displayed up at the top. Locate my folder, press Ctrl and right-click on a Mac. Click Share. I have two options. Get a shareable link that anyone can access and copy that link, or share directly with a friend. And it's as easy as that. I'd really like to color code this file so that I know that it's pertaining to tater tots. Clicking on Control, open up the menu, and go down to Change Color. Notice the other options: to star it, to move it, to rename it, and even to search within it. There, now it's orange. Let's create a new file to give my colleague more information about my recipes and how they can be enjoyed while sheltering in place. Let's create a Google Doc to share detailed narrative information. Head up to the top and rename the document. Let's create a Google Sheets to give a detailed shopping list. To save your file, simply rename at the top. I wonder if they will actually have my ingredients at the store. Now let's create a Google Slide for sharing a virtual presentation with the students. Once we're done, head to the top of your document and give it a name to save it. Everyone loves a good waffle presentation. Head back over to Drive. Time to get organized. Let's put our files into our shared folder so that my colleague can see them right away. Click and drag. Move. Click and drag. Move. Click and drag and move again. Hey, as much as I hate moving, that was not so bad. Click on the shared folder to view the contents. Now my colleague can see everything in one place. Take a moment to do the activity located in the Resources folder. Open your Google Drive account, follow the PDF, and create your own Office documents for use in the next section.